around the left turn, handed on down the last straightaway.
Okay, riders,
And then going to
random
be
start.
picking up the win.
Riders, ready, watch the gate.
For the 2.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, bro, you see that start?
That's good.
It's so hard.
Oh, yeah,
It's the crash cam. You gotta be like dash cams in cars.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I think so. Is it?
It's the crash cam.
I can file like an insurance claim. You know what I mean?
It's the dash cam.
Yeah, exactly.
Up there over the step up, heading around that first turn. Looks like it's going to be Danimal.
Ready, watch the gate.
Once again, pick up the win around number 2.
Good job, man. Thanks, guys.
Second round of racing. Yeah, we go.
Good race, dude.
That's
Sorry, I don't mean to ride like a jerk. I was cutting you off. My bad.
And our starter of the race. Can we have Tanner Singleton come to the finish line, please?
Yeah, dude.
Come to the finish line.
Do you see me like on the first berm? What?
And the second berm and the last berm, you took the inside.
Yeah.
Paid off.
I like cut him off both times, which was somewhat intentional, so I feel bad. But I won.
But you were second.
Oh yeah.
I got on video.
Second. I didn't win. Apparently I qualified for something. I'm not, right? Exactly. Are you? Are you staying? You should.
For a couple minutes.
Show me a couple things, you know, I want to learn.
I'll teach you a little bit of BMX, teach you a little bit of jumping.
Deal, you got it. Jumping's easy, you just pull up and go fast.
Ready, watch the gate.
Last place! Woo!
I got to settle for the 2. And Christian
That was crazy, man. Woo, that was a little sketchy.
Yeah, I was like, got my heart bumping for sure.
Almost cleared that. Just barely caught that last one. That was
for next week for Monday Night Racing.
I was watching the race the time.
And good night.
I don't know if I got it, dude.
What?
He might have gotten it. I might have.
You were filming me? I'm honored.
Yeah, dude. I did get it. Yeah, sir.
So three.
This dirt jumper guy. He's
And
crazy.
Deke going down to the last
He might hit pro set, dude. Nah, he might. Look, oh my God,
Just
he boosted
boosted that, dude.
He didn't rail the burn high enough to hit pro.
Nah.
Got Christian in the 3. Through the second straightaway around the
He didn't
second
jump
turn.
this stuff.
Yeah,
He was
dude.
jumping that stuff.
Yeah, what happened?
Oh my
Goodness
God.
gracious.
Can he hang on to it? But here comes Danimal. Jumping his way through it now. Going to rhythm section.
You just sent it, but that's what you did.
Yeah, I got it. Hey, you got a trophy?
Yeah, but my leg didn't hurt.
See you guys.
Yeah, don't forget
the
trophy. You got to play trophy.
Oh, I did?
Dude, you want trophy or stamps?
I'll take the trophy, yeah.
Dude.
Good race, Christian.
You almost went down on that jump.
I know, I almost killed myself.
All I see is your tire go, whee!
I was in the air like, oh my gosh, this is gonna end bad.
But I'm going to go get started. You have my keys?
Sick. Thank you. 3rd place, let's go. Woo.